On Saturday, I reported that Brock Purdy was going to be undergoing his elbow surgery early this week. I can confirm that this is expected to take place this week on Wednesday in Dallas with Dr. Keith Meister, the team physician for the Texas Rangers. Purdy was originally expected to undergo surgery back on February 22nd. However, that was scrapped due to inflammation in the right elbow. Now, this will be taking place, as I said, on Wednesday with Dr. Keith Meister out in Dallas. The hope for the 49ers is that the procedure for Purdy will be the internal brace procedure. It all depends, though, on what they find when they get in there. Now, when they cut open, if it's not the internal brace, if the damage is a little bit worse than they expected, they may have to go on and do the hybrid surgery, which has a little bit longer time frame. Now, for the 49ers, and part of the reason they're hoping this is the internal brace, is that will shorten the length of the recovery period. You might recall Nick Mullins, former 49er quarterback who suffered an UCL injury back in 2020. He was able to undergo the internal brace procedure, and he was cleared within 5 months. Now, for Purdy, like I said, it's going to either be the internal brace or the hybrid, depending on what the Dr. Meister finds when he cuts into him. Now, as far as the time frame, it could be anywhere from 6 to 9 to 13 months. They're not going to know that until they actually get in. But however, if it is the internal brace, that puts Purdy back in time to be ready for the beginning of the regular season at the latest, with a 6-month recovery period. As I said, it could be a little bit shorter. These things are always a little up in the air. We use the timelines as a basic guideline, but sometimes they can be a little faster, sometimes they can be a little slower. So even with the internal brace, Purdy could be back in time for week 1, could be back in time for some practice during the regular season, or it could be a couple weeks into the regular season. We're not quite sure. But we do know that Brock Purdy will be undergoing surgery to repair the torn UCL ligament in his throwing elbow on Wednesday in Dallas with Dr. Keith Meister. Keep it locked in here to the Jackhammer channel, Inside the 49ers with Jackhammer, for all your breaking 49ers news and updates as they happen. Thank you all, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Keep it locked in here. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.